never giving up when life gets too hard. Right around the corner is a brand new start. It feels like we're riding on a roller coaster. We're getting so far, we're not getting closer. Life is all about the up and down. Take your medicine, stop fooling around. Never take yourself too seriously. Life with the world and live and be free. Why do more people trying to take life slow? Why is every day so impossible? When I speak my mind, I tell no lies. Once upon a time I laughed so hard I cried. Doesn't really matter at the end of the day, as long as you have life and you feel happy. Don't hold you down, will I make you strong? Like come on everybody, won't you sing this song?
Smiles on faces, we putting smiles on faces. Smiles on faces, we putting smiles on faces. Well, it's a long road and it's taking me home. Been a long day, still got a ways to go. I don't feel like we're getting older. Feel so alive, but we're that much closer. Keep pushing on when the times get tough, and even if the storm comes, the waves get rough. Our love it is greater than the deep blue sea. What's going around is coming around, is following me.
Ain't it funny how things fall in place sometimes? Your shadow follows you when the sun don't shine. Some people spend a whole life living in their head, and I say listen to your heart instead.
Keep searching for a lifetime, waiting for a sign. Something gives me hope that we'll be alright. If all the girls in the world were living across the sea, what a wonderful swimmer, yes you know that I would be. In a world gone crazy, your smile has saved me. When everything changes, I know we're gonna make it. Smiles on faces, we putting smiles on faces. Smiles on faces, we putting smiles on faces. Smiles on faces, we putting smiles on faces. Smiles on faces, yeah, we putting smiles on faces.
The river of doubt gave birth to a beautiful stone, and in my hand I held it, and I knew I was on my own. So I picked it up and I held it to the sky, and in my reflection I knew I was all alone. Yeah, yeah. Then I saw this girl with the most beautiful hair. She had it wrapped around her for clothes she did not wear. I asked her for a lock and she complied. After leaving, gorgeous footsteps in the sand, as if she didn't care. Well, she was the prettiest girl I ever saw, and the stone lay still without a flaw. The feelings I had to fight the law as I came to, and I went to, and I took a look. I looked down the road to see a badger and a one-eyed toad. They didn't say a word, they just looked at me with that wise old look of the old. went down to town to my favorite merry-go-round, to the place where magic horses fly, and you seldom see a frown. But then I stole a ring from the flying horses, and I can't begin to explain how. I stole a ring from the flying horses, and it's all rusty now. I stole a ring from the flying horses, and I can't begin to explain how. I stole a ring from the flying horses, and it's all rusty now. It's all rusty. You see, 'cause that stone fell through my pocket, and that lock of hair flew away with the wind. If you chance to meet upon either, well, you know where they've been. But don't pick them up or try to find me. They're much happier to be on their own. Beauty like that knows no home. And if you take a look or look down the road to see a badger and a one-eyed toad, they won't say a word, they'll just look at you with that wise old look of the old. Yeah, yeah, the wise old look of the old. To explain how I stole a ring from the flying horses, and it's all rusty now. I stole a ring from the flying horses, and I can't begin to explain how. I stole a ring from the flying horses, and it's all rusty now. I stole a ring from the flying horses, and I can't begin to explain how. I stole a ring from the flying horses, and it's all rusty now. I stole a ring from the flying horses, and I can't begin to explain